She trying my skills.
Yeah, I tried my mommy's skill.
Yeah, testing me.
I'm testing my mommy.
This is interesting.
Yeah, this is interesting. This is interesting, guys.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here and this is
Harper.
Yes, and we are here with a full glam makeup tutorial for my 3-year-old. So Harper, I guess since I'm into makeup, she's into makeup and she's been begging me to put makeup on her face. So I'm gonna do it because why not? If you don't want to see me put makeup on my 3-year-old, then don't watch this video. If you're gonna judge us in the comments, then don't watch this video. This is just for fun. We're bored in the house and we in the house bored. So I'm gonna give her like a full glam, like how I would do my makeup. I'm gonna let her wear it probably until nap time and we're just gonna have fun today. She did tell me that she wants makeup like Elsa, so she wants to have purple eyeshadow. So that was the only request. Anything else you want for your makeup?
Yeah, I want that and that.
She's pointing to the concealer and powder. You're gonna get all of that, Harper. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, just take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. And don't forget to share and comment. All right, let's get into this, Harper. So I'm just going to cleanse her face with some, I'm gonna cleanse her face with some micellar water.
Micellar water for you?
Yeah, for you.
For eyes?
For your face.
Hey, Mommy, in the way.
I'm not in the way.
Thought you was in the way. Hey, bad guy, go please and get some toys for me.
I can't understand you, child.
Mammy.
Alright, so I'm going to do her eyebrows first.
I
can't see it. The camera's over here. It look funny?
Yeah, it looks funny.
Okay, so I know her brows look crazy, but she don't have no shape. Girl, she trying my skills.
Yeah, I tried my mommy's skill.
Yeah, testing me.
I'm testing my mommy. I look funny, guys. Right over here and on my nose.
Harper, I know what I'm doing. Stop trying to tell me what to do.
You're my mommy.
I am your mommy. I know what I'm doing, buddy. You're trying to boss me. Eyebrows are hard.
Oh.
You know, make sure you actually, I want you to look nice. I
Yeah.
want you to look crazy.
No. I want to look crazy.
I don't want to look crazy, baby. Okay, that eyebrow looks good. This one looks really good. And I gotta fix this one. Alright. There's your eyebrows. What do you think of your eyebrows?
Cute.
Cute? Okay. Let's move on.
Let's move on to the purple.
Close your eyes. This is interesting.
Yeah, this is interesting. This is interesting, guys. Look at my brown skin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you hold your head up, please? I can't see.
Guys, my mommy not doing my makeup. My mom goes to get a stool for me. Not for me. For mommy.
What are you crying for?
I want to. Oh, you was getting that, Mom?
Yes. Cause you look like a ghost. I got some of my mom's makeup because Harper has a deeper complexion than I do.
Yeah.
Got a richer melanin. Melanin. Y'all, this foundation, oh my god. Melanin.
Melanin?
Yes, that's what makes your skin brown.
Oh.
Okay, I think this is better.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah,
I just think this looks funny because she's so little. With all this makeup on.
Yeah, I want makeup.
Alright, let's do some concealer.
Concealer?
Highlighting concealer.
Highlighting concealer?
Boom. Alright, we're gonna let that sit for a little while.
Sit a little while.
Yep, and then we're gonna do a little contour. Chin contour, get rid of that baby fat. Shape the head a little bit.
Super cool, guys.
Like a warrior.
Yeah, like a warrior.
Alright. He really has to do that every time. Y'all, Harper got me sitting on the floor.
Because someone you need to sit on the floor, Mommy.
Why?
Because you need to.
Alright.
Oh
my god.
No, it ain't.
That
thought it
was
was.
my eyebrows.
I know, don't touch it.
Look at me. No. No. Look up.
Why she looking like that?
Cause she's Harper.
Yeah, there you go.
No, look up. Up.
Yeah,
Up.
don't let you try to look at herself. Just look up.
Why is your mouth open?
Mommy got.
So you gotta look up, baby. Up. Yeah. Ooh, perfect. Look at you. You wore makeup before? So, we said everything. The camera lights is making Harper look a little ashen. But whatever. Okay, can you stop squinting your face? Put your head down. Regular. Regular. Look at me though. Close your eyes. Alright, now I'm just priming her. I told you keep your eyes closed. Don't open your eyes till I tell you. Oh, knucklehead. Keep them closed. Alright, now you can open them. Alright, so I'm going to use the Jackie Aina palette.
Jackie Aina palette.
Yeah, you know her song? Sing it. Jackie. So I'm going to take ginger. Harper, I'm using the expensive makeup on you, girl.
I want glitter too.
Oh, okay. So some purple glitter, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, close your eyes. Purple glitter. What you think so far?
My purple.
I am. Well, I'm gonna use Big Wig first. Big Wig. Can you say Big Wig?
Big wig. Ooh, purple.
Harper, you gonna look better than Elsa, girl.
Yeah. Can you bear my hair?
Let it go. Let it go. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Alright, we're going back to the Jackie Aina palette. And we're going to use Shookington.
Shookington glitter.
Yeah, Shookington has glitter. It's a shimmer.
I say pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop. And I'm glad I put that powder underneath her eyes because Shookington is Fallout Boy. My baby is beautiful. Oh yeah, my baby.
It's beautiful.
Alright, and we're going to use a little bit of Soleil as an inner corner highlight because, oh no, you know, we're not going to use Soleil. We're going to use Trust Issues.
Because it's trust issues. It's time.
You look what you think so far.